Hi everyone, my name is Satvik of Computer Science Branch, Section C, roll number 20951A05G4. The topic which I got for Tech Talk is Lagrange's theorem. In my talk, I will be covering what is Lagrange's theorem, problems on Lagrange's theorem. What is Lagrange's theorem? Lagrange's theorem in group theory, a part of mathematics, states that for any finite group G, the order of every subgroup of G divides the order of G. The theorem is named after Joseph Louis Lagrange, who has discovered the theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem. Let f of x be a function such that if it is continuous in the closed interval a comma b, and if it is differentiable in the open interval a comma b, then there exists at least one point c in open interval a comma b such that f derivative of c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Let us verify whether Lagrange's mean value theorem is applicable for the function x cube minus x square minus 5x plus 3 in the closed interval 0, 4. Let the function x cube minus x square minus 5x plus 3 is a polynomial in x. So, since every polynomial is continuous and differentiable in all intervals, so this function is also continuous in the closed interval 0, 4 and is differentiable in the open interval 0, 4. Hence, by Lagrange's mean value theorem, we will get a point f dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a in the open interval a comma b. F of 4 will give us 31 when we substitute 4 in the equation. F of 0 will give us 3. F dash of c equal to 3c square minus 2c minus 5. F of 4 minus f of 0 by 4 equal to 7, which we have derived from the formula f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So by solving this equation and putting it in f dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a, we get 3c square minus 2c minus 12 equal to 0. Solving this, we get 1 plus root 37 divided by 3 and 1 minus root 37 divided by 3. We can see that only 1 plus root 37 divided by 3 lies in the open interval 0, 4. Thus, Lagrange's mean value theorem is verified, and the c value which we get is 1 plus root 37 by 3. Let us go for a second example. Verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x equal to log base e x in the closed interval 1, e. F of x equal to log x. This function is continuous in the closed interval 1, e. F of x is derivable in the open interval 1, e. Hence, by Lagrange's mean value theorem is applicable here. By this theorem, so there exists a point C in open interval 1, e. F dash of C equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a, where f of e equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 0. F dash of c equal to 1 by c, since derivation of log base e x equal to is 1 by x. So 1 by c equal to 1 by e minus 1, which in turns give the. By the before equation, we get the value of c as e minus 1. Since e minus 1 lies in the interval 1, e, hence Lagrange's mean value theorem is proved and the value of c is e minus 1. With this, I hope that you have understood what is Lagrange's mean value theorem and have understood how to prove Lagrange's mean value theorem for a given function in the given intervals. With this small talk, I would like to take leave from you. Thank you and Jai Hind.